calming watercolour leaves with some leftover paint and a brush that has a fine point on it, and always paper towel to wipe off the excess water so it doesn't blotch on your page. Make your paint quite watery and always twist the brush so you've got a nice fine point, just like that. Starting off very light and soft on the page, you go soft, then heavy, then soft. Trying not to twist your wrist. Always have a fine point on the brush, soft, heavy, soft. Just gently lifting off at the end there. And this can just be with, like I said, leftover paint. It doesn't matter what colour it is. This is all about the process of escaping the busyness of your mind, of your day, and just with one stroke, you can create magic on the page. Even with a little bit of stippling down the end, you can create darker tones. And with the very fine point and a vertical brush, you can connect those to create what looks like a little branch there. I'll show you now how to do a double leaf, always with the fine point, twisting your brush. And you can steady your hand, soft, heavy, soft, with no twisting of the wrist, and start again at the same point and finishing at the same point. I'll do that again for you, twisting the brush. Always start off with feather light strokes, and you can go as heavy or as soft as you like to create the different widths of the leaf. You can always just finish it up at the end there with the tip of the brush. Soft, heavy, soft. Lifting up without any twisting of the wrist. So there you have it, a very simple way to create leaves, and as you can see, you can fill the whole page. This took about 10 minutes, but I entered a state of calm after a busy day. I hope this helps you too. Thank you for watching.